Welcome back to the channel. Today was a reminder that even with all the technology at our hands, Mother Nature can still throw curveballs. Point in case, tonight was forecast with no rain, yet I got caught in it. But hey, let's make the best out of it, as it was perfect to see how my new Michelin Road 6 tires perform. And I'm happy to report that they were rather confidence inspiring. Mind you, I'm not the guy who will push to the limits in these conditions, but rather slow it down. But at no point did the bike feel twitchy or slippery. That is a win in my book. I am still waiting on my G-Course dash cover. It has been pushed back to mid to end November now. Needless to say, supply and shipping issues are still a thing. In the meantime, I decided to revert back to my shorty windscreen for a little bit of protection. Overall, I am all sorted for my upcoming track day concerning trailer, gear and the bike itself. The last thing left on my to-do list is to get the stock brake fluid changed to Moto RBF 660 and do an oil change while at it. Let's hope the weather will cooperate better than today. Until next time, keep it on 2 and I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye.